So where are you now?
Umeå
Where is it?
in Sweden.
Okay.
Ah.
What is the most attractive thing in Umeå?
I don't know yet.
Okay. So you have been here for the half of the day and you don't even know what is the most attractive thing in here.
Yes, I don't know, but I am open-minded to see.
Okay. Do you want to walk more or just be like a lazy cat?
Both.
Oh, okay. Let's explore more. Hey,
Moi.
you love me?
Yeah. Of course, my horse.
Okay. No? What?
But they have there.
No? What do they have? Show me, what did you buy?
But I buy.
Okay. Goodies. Who's that? I have no idea what is this.
Goodies huset.
Is it candy?
Store probably or house. Huset is like a house probably
Okay.
in Swedish.
Okay. Can you buy the whole candy store?
No, I don't know. If I buy full candy store, it's not possible.
Oh.
We don't have that much package to take every candy there.
Okay. You want to come here again for candies?
Yes. I can say this reminds me, this another candy store in Sweden near to, what is this border city? I don't remember the name, but it reminds me a lot this another candy store
Okay.
where I was last year. So what?
You got a lot of candies and
Yes.
I don't like shopping in a new city or a new country, so no way I'm gonna buy something. Maybe something later, but not now. Do you expect to buy more or shop more?
No, I'm not shopping type, so
So no? No more shopping?
no. Probably we can visit some stores, but I don't wanna use my time
Okay.
much to shopping.
Monkeys. We are two monkeys from another country, and now we are violating all the local rules and regulations. This is a shopping mall called Utopia, and I can see they have everything in here. A lot of restaurant, espresso house. Do you want coffee?
Who want coffee?
Espresso house. There is one espresso house.
Yeah, I know this stuff.
But we're just spending time doing nothing much. Your bag. Every time this bag is always open. What a crazy traveler.
Yes, I am crazy. Can you?
Of course, I can open it even more for you.
I like you.
You see my travel buddy? She's losing everything from the beginning. Look,
But what is that?
I can take away her passport from here.
Hey.
Very easy.
Hey, what is the good thing?
What is the good thing?
It's not boring traveling with me.
Yeah. She'll give you a new explanation of tourism. Let's travel with her. You know what I'm looking for right now?
Toilet?
No, I'm looking for Lauren at the moment. I will have
What? Ah.
we'll have our coffee with Lauren together, and we will we will sing cha cha cha.
Yeah, and do you notice something?
What?
Look at the.
Whoa, this is cha 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 everywhere. Oh my God, Sweden is Finland. Even Sweden is supporting Karja. You see? What a phenomenal! Karja is everywhere. So this is the city church in Umeå, and it looks very old, maybe from 1800th century, I don't know, but there's no way to go inside. Today I think it's closed. But this is what an architecture, what a red beauty. We like it so much.
Oh, I think you take picture.
We got the coolest architecture to take some photographs. Yeah, we got the coolest architecture to take some.
It's crazy. It's party.
It's party, it's crazy.
Okay. We bring the cha-cha-cha vibe from Finland directly to Sweden. And here, you see, this is a green what this is called, architecture or something.
Statue?
Even Sweden supports Karja to its fullest.
Also Umeå grillen.
Yeah, there's green everywhere. We're looking for a sparkling water.
Let's go back home in a declaration. Let's go back home in a declaration. Let's go back home.
Like this?
No.